हेलो व्हाट्सअप वेलकम टू डे 15 ऑफ मार्केटिंग मजदूरी। और आज का टॉपिक है ना, थोड़ा सा कंट्रोवर्शियल है बट इट्स एन आई ओपनर। सो प्लीज वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड एंड लेट मी नो योर ओपिनियन इन द कमेंट बॉक्स एट द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो। So the topic is why these big agencies or network agencies are dying. So when someone lives like a big agency and plan to join a mid-size agency or a boutique agency, that's when you know that there is something broken into the system. And today I will talk about why these big agencies are struggling and why the small agencies or maybe mid-sized agencies or independent agencies are taking over. You know why these bigger agencies are struggling? See, I have also worked with big agency a couple of years back and I've realized one thing. There are too many layers, too many hierarchies to follow, and because of that creativity ना कहीं दब जाती है honestly. बिकॉज आप वो एक लूप में फंस जाते हो कि यार मुझे इसको भी दिखाना है, इसको भी दिखाना है, ये भी आएगा, वो भी आएगा, इतने सारे ओपिनियन ना, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू आर नॉट क्रिएटिंग दैट इम्पैक्ट, you know and this bigger agency focus more on processes than an impact. And today client हो गया या कोई भी brand manager ले लो, they are more focused towards speed, like how fast you can deliver. Now these bigger agencies have not adapted to that culture of quick deliverables and all, because they are already I mean they're still working in that same pattern that they used to work 10 years back कि मैं अपने टाइम पे काम करूंगा. I mean, look at today's social media, moment marketing, trends and everything. I mean, trend will not wait for you to create at your own time and just see the magic. No. Now it has become like you create first and see the magic. So that is what something the bigger agencies are not able to adapt, and that is why they are struggling a lot in terms of business also. Like clients are also not sustaining for more than 7 to 8 months, and I have seen that personally as well. So I mean, I can guarantee that. You know why these smaller agencies are taking over and shining in this industry? One, they are fast in terms of decision making. They will not wait for like 5 6 approvals to come. There is a structured process, or there is a structured in a team where you will have a quick decision maker, and then things are moving faster. Second is direct access to your owners, CEOs, founders, like at the top level people. That's when person who is working in that company or organization, they feel very valued because you are working for your company's vision. आप एक पार्ट बन जाते हो, you feel included in, you feel very involved into the process of making a company bigger. So that is one thing. Third, ownership mindset. Like I mentioned, if you have an access to top management, definitely your mindset changes. You are not just working for survival, but you are working for impact. Fourth is better work life clarity. Now when I say work life clarity is basically like bigger agency में बहुत सारे roles होते हैं, बहुत सारे hierarchy होते हैं, तो you get lost in what is exactly your role is. But in this mid-size or independent agency, you have a clear goal and KPIs, like what role are you going to play in this organization and what is the outcome that you are expected to have in this organization. So that is very important. And lastly, the candidate or the employees are not what do you say, like they feel seen and not just build. Because bigger agency में पैसा ज़्यादा मिलता है but you are not happy. And in the on the contrary, you feel happy, maybe the pay must be less, but you are still happy and you are creating something, you are giving out to the industry something to cherish about. Today honestly, brands are not looking for vendors. They are looking for partners who can create impactful work, who can deliver good amount of stuff in a very less amount of time. So that's where the smaller agencies and these independent agencies are coming up and giving that sort of what do you say, trust to these clients. And big agency focus more on scale. Smaller agencies have like soul, speed, quick decision making, sharp thinking, and all of this in today's fast-paced world, clients and brands really want all of this. And that is why smaller agencies are doing great and these bigger agencies are not able to adapt to this culture. So yeah, that's it. Like, this is my opinion, this is my way of perceiving things, receiving things and giving out to you. What do you think? Like, what is your opinion? Just let me know in the comments. We can have a chat. Even I would like to know other opinion. Maybe whoever is watching this video, like it could be senior, junior, someone entering into this field. One thing is that like because of all of this now, people who are at that entrance stage कि मुझे ये industry में enter करना है, they will have a very different opinion about this industry. Like right now, the perception is that this industry has nothing to offer. But if you see like 5-6 years back, this industry was like a booming industry. But right now, because of all of this acquisition, ये सब जो news पढ़े जा रहे हैं हम, उससे ऐसा लगता है कि यार this industry is dying. But no, I think there is lot of opportunity, lot of things to do. You just need a right platform, right organization where you can shine and where you can make an impact. So that's it from today. If you like this video तो आपको पता ही है क्या करना है. लाइक कर दो, शेयर कर दो एंड कमेंट कर दो. एंड यस, सब्सक्राइब तो बिल्कुल ही कर दो बिकॉज I'll keep talking about all of this important topics on this channel. So yes.